God, I finally get some time away from the evil monkey in my closet.
Welcome back, everybody, to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and today I'm going to be trying something a little bit different. I've been flying the Liftoff simulator for quite some time now, and I'm really liking it. And what I want to know, and what I'm going to test, is if we take the rates out of the game and apply them to an actual real drone, how will it fly? Will the rates be any good? Will they be any different? I don't know. We'll see. So I'm going to take the rates out of here, and I'm going to put them on that one, and we're going to see how it flies. So hang with me while we do that. So these are all the PIDs and the rates, and as you can see, I am currently updating my drone to all of those rates. So we'll see how it flies. All right, everybody. So here it is. This is my drone that has the Liftoff rates and PIDs. So I'm going to take off here in a second, and we're going to see if this thing will fly good, better, or what, and I'll let you know how it flies. Hope you enjoy the flight footage.
What am I doing here? I am longing for you, dear. If we could look to the stars, maybe life wouldn't be so hard. We were this close to another ending, but too far from the start. We were this close to another story, but we drifted apart. Oh, I think I lost my way, and no, I'm not okay. And yet I'm begging you to stay. Oh, I think I lost my way. Where am I going now? Will our paths cross somehow? You were always by my side. I hope one day our hearts collide. We were this close to another ending, but too far from the start. We were this close to another story, but we drifted apart. Oh, I think I lost my way, and no, I'm not okay. And yet I'm begging you to stay. Oh, I think I lost my way. Oh, I think I lost my way. Oh, I think I lost my
All right, guys, so as you can see from the flight footage, I really like the way it performs. And I'm using Butterflight 2, and flies really, really good. So I handed the drone over to my buddy over here, Kite, and he is flying right now, and we'll see what he thinks. All right, Kite, so what do you think? You thinking it's a winner, not a winner?
I like how it sounds when you flip it.
Right, yeah, it sounds really good.
It's very locked in.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, so I think it's definitely worth it. It's kind of cool if you're not into tuning, if you don't know how to tune, and you really like Liftoff and how they fly in there, definitely give it a shot. You know, I mean, it's not for everybody, but I definitely like how it flies, how it floats, and everything like that. So I give it 2 thumbs up. So guys, if you liked this review, if you liked this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me, guys. Thank you guys for watching the channel. And as always, guys, while you're waiting for the next video, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high, and I'll talk to you guys later.
I